Hi, it's Sweet Tooth here. How are you guys and girls doing? Today we're going to look at Fixa, 3 paintbrushes that I bought from ikea, and we're going to test the quality of these by painting that little surface job that I sanded off yesterday, and I'm going to test how well these brushes work and what sort of quality they are. First, let's go by opening the bag. The price was less than £2 for 3 brushes, and these are actually made in Sweden, so says that, so we'll take a look. The red one, actually I put that in, so it's got a decent flex on that. Seems quite well, and of course these are plastic handles with nylon nylon bristles. So okay, onwards and onwards. We've got the large one, bit of paint. Okay, I'll say that the first thing I see is the bristles are actually quite very firm on that, so we'll just dot that in. This is the first coat using this brush. It seems very it holds the paint well. There's no loss of brushes so far, so yeah, I think that's pretty good. That being a 50mm brush. The other ones are, that's a 25 and that one's a 35. So yeah, pretty good. Quite impressed with that. Decent handle on it. So we thought, why not have a quick look at those. You can find these in any ikea store. They're in Fixa. You'll see them around. Yeah, okay, one of those things that you're not quite sure about. They're not like something out of B&Q. So yeah, okay, thumbs up for that. Seems pretty good, well made. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys for watching and have a great day.